Is your PS4 lagging? Is it running super slow?
They call you slow! How dare you call me that?
Is the menu slow too? In this video, we will discuss reasons why your PS4 is running so slow and how to fix it within minutes. Make sure you stick around till the end. Some of these reasons may surprise you. Reason number 7, your dynamic theme. If you have a cool dynamic theme that has a lot of movement, perhaps some changing images, it could use a lot of memory and cause your PS4 to run slow. Simply navigate to Settings, Themes, select Theme, and scroll to the bottom and choose one of the static themes with a simple color. Surprisingly, this could boost your PS4 performance. Reason number 6, too many friends. Simply navigate over to your friends list and delete friends you haven't interacted with in a while. This could also really help speed up your PS4. Reason number 5, too many notifications. Navigate over to your notifications and delete all your old notifications, and this alone could speed up your PS4 by quite a bit. In order to delete notifications, press the Options button on the notification list screen and then select Delete. Reason number 4, too many messages. Navigate over to your messages and delete all old messages. You'll be surprised by how many messages you might actually have. Reason number 3, limit content on the home screen. Navigate to Settings, System, and check the box for limit content items on home screen. You'll be surprised by how much this can help your PS4. Reason number 2, too many applications. Head over to System, Storage, and delete applications that you don't use. Don't worry, if you just delete the game, you won't lose your game data. And reason number 1, you could just rebuild the PS4 database, as over time, your PS4 database may become corrupt. And no, you will not lose any data on your PS4. All of your saved game data will remain. All this does is rearrange items and files for quicker access. So, power down your PS4 completely. Shut down, not rest mode. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear 2 beeps. Connect your controller to the PS4 using a USB cable. Scroll down and select Rebuild Database. This process might take some time. Let us know if this video helped you out in the comment section below. And if you appreciated this video, please, we'd be grateful if you hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to the channel.